Hello, in front of me I've got Meizu M5s. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, enter settings and go to display and brightness. Here are all your settings for your display. For example, you can change between auto brightness and manual brightness. You can change auto lock between 30 seconds and 10 minutes. You can change font size between small and larger. Also, you can change color temperature between cold and warm. And the last thing, you can enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.